Number 39, fifth. कितने? 39, 69, 21, 31. चौथे कूपन
President of Kurtoni Gymkhana, President of Kurtoni Gymkhana, Bab Agmelo, Magta Tujat, Magta, Bab Derek, Bab Arnald, Magta.
Guest of honor, Arman Bab Kulaso, Chandorche Sarpanch Bab Babazin, Sarpanch, Deputy Sarpanch by Maria, Dudoliche Sarpanch by Sonia, Chandor Sports Club Adhyaksh Abhijidio, तसेच Female Association Adhyaksh Bab Sandeep, Dudoli Sports Club Adhyaksh Bab Sudesh Bishe, GFC member Bab Petwi, आजचे बसून आशिल्ले सगळे मनीस आपले सरपंच पंच आमच्या मोगान भावनो भयणीनो बाबूबाईच्या भुरग्यांनो खरेंच खुशालकायेची गोष्ट आजच्या दिसाक तो रुद्रा दिवपाक म्हाका तुमच्या मुखार खूब खूब आनंद भोगता ह्या 50th गोल्डन जुबलीच्या वर्साक चांदोर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब right from the first president of Emfrin Fernandez to current president of Egidio to several presidents जे पण आज आशिल्ले. Our club, Bangladesh is one of the rarest clubs जे पद्धतीन आज जी glory ही सिमेंट ट्रॉफी इतली वर्सां जाली घडोवन हाडटा. आनीक me and my family are associated with this tournament now possibly for about 23 odd years. 23 odd years. I can see the spirit, the work done by the members of this club towards the contribution of the successfulness of this tournament. And a खूप dedication, खूप एक sporting spirit. आणि त्या टुर्नामेंटाक इतलो हजारांनी लोक जाला. आणि हे करपाचें म्हाका दिसता सोंपें न्हू पूण सगळे जावं यूथ भुरगे एकवटान हो टुर्नामेंट करपाक खूब झुजले. तांकां सगळ्यांक शाबासकी आयच्या दिसाक सोंपें न्हू कित्याक फुटबॉल म्हणटाय तो आतांच आमचे जे एक लेजंड फुटबॉलान बाब अरमान बाबा लागीं उलयतालो. The way according to me football is declining. I've been speaking, I've been very vocal about it. And एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन जावपाक खूप गरजेचे आसा. नॉर्थ ईस्ट द सेम स्टँडर्ड आसा But we see a lot of footballers. I think what is the reason behind the decline? Whether it is a failure of Goa Football Association, whether GFTC needs to look into it, whether the government needs to intervene. आम्ही सगळ्यांनी म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना आम्ही स्टेट स्पोर्ट म्हणटा खास करून फुटबॉल गोंयांतूय न्ही आख्या देशभर आख्या वर्ल्डाक गोंयकार म्हणटाय तो शीतकोटी आनी फुटबॉल म्हणून फामाद आसा पूण जेन्ना जेन्ना आमी आमकां दिसता हे प्रश्न आमी जेन्ना मांडटा खूब थोडे दुखूय जाता कित्याक आय बिलीव द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू बी ऑलमोस्ट 11 odd crores to Goa Football Association. And एक Formula 4 म्हणून एक रेस काढले they are spending 52 crores for 3 days. But 11 crores that has to be paid to the Premium Football Institute is being neglected. Whether financial assistance is one of the reasons, कोई नाही म्हाका दिसता हेजे ताबडतोब आमचे पॉलिटिकल डिफरन्सेस सोडून आमी सगळ्यांनी चिंतपाक जाय जेन्ना चांदोर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब जावं दुसरे हे बारीक क्लब जावं कुर्तोरीम जिमखाना ट्रेडिशनली हो स्पोर्ट आमच्या विलेज टोर्नामेंटा लागून आज जिवो आसा हांगा खंयच्या पद्दतीन आमी आदार करपाक जाय फक्त हो फुटबॉल आमचो फक्त इंडियाचो हाऊ डज गोवा बिकम नंबर 1 इन द स्टेट सगळ्यांचे स्वप्न आसा की आमचो देश वर्ल्ड कपाक रिप्रेझेंटेशन जावपाक जाय इतलें चिंतून आनी एक फावट हांव चांदोर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक सदांच तुमी आमकां बरो येवकार दिला आनी सदांच तुमकां सांगता उक्ते मनान सदांच आमी तुमच्या बरोबर आसतले दुखान सुखान रावता हेजे मुखारूय बरें टोर्नामेंट जातलें आमकां हिंगा आपूण दोन उतरां दिवपाक बरो सोयीक दिलो म्हणून सगळ्यांक काळजांत घालून देव बरें करूं
Executive Committee of Puteri, Executive Committee of Chandor Club, match officials, manager, coach, players of both the teams, Mughal Mahabhadan, Maniswati, Shabaski Jita, Chandor Club, Bonus Orsa. आणि घडून आणले देखून नाईस काय बरी कारभारी करून आमकां सगळ्यांक खुशाल दवरले देखून I've seen this organization is really one of the rarest ones, nicely organized. Shabaski, Chandor Club, कित्याक तुमी आयज 50 वर्सांक एनिवर्सरी ताका Chandor Club गिफ्ट दिलो सिमेंस ट्रॉफी जिखोन कुर्तोरी म्हजो गांव णव पाटी म्हाका ह्या नवी फायनल जिखला पूण बॅट लाग बरे तुमी टील द लास्ट गिव अप करूंक ना म्हाका नेक्स्ट इयर आनी हार्ड वर्क करून 13 आहा ते 14 करून हे बॉल मुखार घालून सिमेंस कुर्तोरी जिखना व्हरून आनी बावडी तुमकां सगळ्यांक म्हजी दोन उतरां आयकून दिवून देव बरें करूं.
Association with this tournament for the last 23 years. What improvement do you have seen and how is football coping up?
So see, I've been associated with this tournament, my family has been associated for the last 23 years and you see this is a traditional tournament and in this you've seen the club members unitedly trying to promote football across at the grassroots level. And Chandor Sports Club is one of the older sports club and you can see the sporting spirit, the way GBE or Seamen Association and the Chandor Sports Club held this traditional tournament, one of the rarest tournaments in the state of Goa, promoting grassroots football. And if you see every year the people also response the response is every year it increases. People come here with a lot of excitement, a lot of hopes, and the way this club has progressed in the last 50 years, tremendous amount of evolution if you look in terms of standard of the team as well. And it is, I'm very happy today that Chandor Sports Club itself has won the tournament on this remarkable journey of 50 years today. They have won it about 5 times. And Kurtorim Gymkhana has won it about 13 times. So the rivalry that was there between the two football clubs today itself was seen again. I wish them all the best in all their future endeavours. Today grassroots football is required to set football to the new standards because I believe this is the only pattern of football that keeps football going within the state of Goa. JFDC somehow I believe have failed, the government has failed to recognize and give true value to the state sports, because if you look at the pending dues pending in the state of Goa, they are in almost 10 to 11 crores of rupees, whereas the government on the other hand can spend about 54 crores for a Formula F4 track race for 3 days. So definitely there has to be no politics within sports, but आमकां दिसता की to keep this spirit alive, the football and शीतकोडी आणि गोंयकार, there is a combination. Definitely we will make our efforts, whatever is needed on the behalf of the opposition, to raise the voice to make sure that football gets its recognition.
Sir, your family has been closely associated with football for donkey years. Do you have any plans and all to promote your own club or float your own club to get this standard up?
See, we already have our football club and we've been doing this for practically so many years. We are the only family-run football club today. And definitely the interest of promoting local football is already there. Taking it to the next level, every year we participate in grassroots tournaments, or our football club participates, and definitely it is to make sure that Goa football is being promoted.
Sir, would like to ask you about any update on tomorrow's Bandh or whatever was being
So
proposed.
definitely today there was a meeting, I believe, where several NGOs got together, and it is in the interest of the state that the mastermind, whoever was known to get these or do these episodes with an activist, Rama Kandkonkar, the way he was brutally murdered, has to be brought in daylight. We have no guarantee on the police, but whatever the call the activists will give, they were supposed to meet today and take a call. Whatever call they take, we will support it.
Thank you, sir.